A boiler making banging sounds, often referred to as kettling, can be caused by various issues such as limescale buildup, trapped air, or low water pressure. Limescale or sludge buildup can cause water to overheat and create steam bubbles, leading to banging noises. Trapped air in the system can also cause similar sounds as it disrupts the normal flow of water. An engineer from Warmable can diagnose the issue by checking for limescale deposits, bleeding the system to remove trapped air, or adjusting the water pressure. They may also flush the system to remove sludge or recommend installing a water softener to prevent future limescale buildup.